Hello my friends and welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for Mercy Tiara kits and I've got this gorgeous January 2025 kit. It is called Winter Glow. Now I've got the main kit, the paper kit, let's see, I have the cardstock add-on, the paper pack add-on, and the embellishment kit. However, I did choose 3 pieces already. The moment I saw this kit, I started putting little mini page kits together because there's so many gorgeous pieces. So let me show you my photo. And then I kind of worked from there. I've got this female cardinal and she's sitting on the bird feeder that's outside of I have a really big kitchen window, and she was sitting outside. And so I snapped a picture of her and she's got her cute little orangey red beak out there and it's snowing behind her and it's just downright pretty. So I've got that, but that kind of takes away from her a little bit. Now this still works with her look, but I definitely want to get some of that reddish tone in. So let me see, what else can I do? Ooh, look at this. Now this could work. So we've got this plaid. See, this is me just working through it. We've got this, which I really like, but maybe, okay, totally switching gears. I have an idea. What if we use this for our background? So this, oh, guys, it's just the other side. No wonder it works so well. So it's Echo Park Paper Company. Let me see. And it is Chilling with My Snowmies. I'm going to use front and back of Feeling Frosty Snowflakes. So let's see. So I have this. I liked the idea of coming in with a nice strip of this. So same piece, just the back side. Like that. Let me get, and I was thinking of doing like a fairly healthy chunk. Like pretty close to a 6 by 6, 5.5. We'll see which one I use. So I like that, and we've got a lot of pattern going on. I know. Ooh, I do like that. So I'm going to use, it's about 5.5. Now we do have in the cardstock kit, it is the color called Moody Blue. So I am going to go ahead and grab this. Let me give it a nice little trim, because I was thinking this might look nice if we, I don't know why I turned it, if I used a piece of this sticking out of either side, just so that I have a really bold amount of this great blue, and then I can also map my photo in it. So if I do a little something like this, it's going to break up those 2 patterns in it, right? Because I know it's super bold. I know I already have a lot going on. I'm just trying to show off little Miss Birdie. So I'm going to do one of these. Okay, let's just go ahead and get that tacked down before I think too much about it. So apparently we are all about the pattern on this one. Let's go like this, get that down. And like I said, I'll just go ahead and tuck some of this gorgeous deep blue underneath, just so we have a small bit of rest between the 2 rather bold patterns. And we can give that a trim in a second. Let me go ahead and try to make that a little bit straight, and I'll trim that on the top in just a second. Same thing here. I'm going to tuck it in and straighten it right up so that we can have the base of a layout. So I find it to be really useful for me to just go for it and then just start building a layout around whatever I am feeling. But the funny thing is, I totally started with the other paper, but then I saw this great plaid. I'm like, oh my gosh, that'll totally bring out Little Miss Cardinal's look. There we go. Is that straight? That's straight. Okay. And, oh, I'm being attacked. Attacked, I tell you, with some adhesive. Let's go ahead and flip this over. And you know what? Maybe I'll trim it, because I don't tend to cut things very straight with scissors. And then you have to cut it more, and you cut it more, and you cut it more, and it never stops. So let's go ahead and use my tools. I know how bad I can be with that. So let's go ahead also. I want to mat my photo on that nice, oh, wait, you know what? We also have these frames. I wonder if any of these frames are the right size. Let me look at this first. Now, if I used one, it would have to be, let me see if it does, no, I can actually go like this and figure it out. Nope, I came in at the wrong size with my printing. That's okay. Let's go ahead and map my photo. Oh, Blue is sleeping under my desk and he's having a little dream. So if you hear like little woof, 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 that's what he is doing. It's kind of cute. All right, let's go like that. And I will get my absolutely vintage trimmer out, which is somehow the straightest trimmer I have. Like that. So that we have a nice, bold outline for little Miss Birdie here. So I've got some great options for my title. So I've got these alphas. These are thickers. They're letters and numbers, puffy. They're letters and numbers, puffy stickers. I also have these puffy stickers here. I want to see what my options are. I have got gorgeous, oh, beautiful snowfall. That might be really pretty. Winter snowfall might be pretty too. Oh no, I want to use all of the things. It's happening again. But look at, let's see. Oh, I love that winter word. Let's see what that would look like. Oh, it's kind of delicate. I have to be careful. Okay, a little bit delicate. So what if, oh my gosh, what if I used this very pretty, very delicate word? Then I brought in, I wasn't even planning this, but I'm getting excited. I brought in, I have to pop that up, guys. Ooh, I do rather like the idea of bringing in that bold piece, having this popped up, and bringing in this. So what I'm going to do clearly is add too much of this sticker sheet because all of a sudden I'm looking at it and this is a birdhouse. So it's just about spot on and perfect for what we're going to need. Yep, that's going to go right there. Sticking it on. Okay, I have a plan, but I do need to faff around quite a bit. So I'm going to just go off using this sticker sheet, popping all kinds of stickers everywhere. I think that would be super fun. If I find my, here it is. I was looking, if I find some dimensional adhesive, I'll use that. So I'm going to use a bunch of this sticker sheet from Simple Stories. Things totally turned so quickly when I saw that word that read winter, which is fabulous. So I'm going to use that. Now I also have, and I haven't used any of them yet. Oops, sorry. I've got these little pieces here. See all of these snowflakes? I think adding a bunch of snowflakes with different textures is going to be gorgeous as well. All right, I found a bunch of pieces I thought were gorgeous. I moved this piece down here for literally no good reason. I just wanted a place for it to rest. I love these little tickets that were on the sticker sheet, so we can have those little guys stick out a little bit. I can get adhesive under them. I'm just starting to do my placement. So I'm building out a rather gorgeous amount of sticker pretty stuff. Let me get some adhesive. I want to be able to pop some of this one up. Guys, I got so excited when I was looking at them that I was like, let me use this and this and this. So I'm calming down and we're just going to layer up these pretties and really just let this kit do all the work for us. Why invest all kinds of my time doing extra thinking when they've already done that? So we have this. I love that little ticket. I think that's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Let me pop this little piece right under this ticket, which is going to help pop it up because we already talked about popping that up. Oh, and this little word that reads hello, I think would be really pretty right there. So let's pop that up too. Now, I was looking at our title options, which is where we started getting excited, right? Or I did. You guys were probably acting rather normal. And I like winter as a word. I also like these puffy alphas, these blue ones I have. I want to pop this up right here. I don't want it squished. Perfect. And so I'm looking at it. I'm like, okay, we have hello. Great. It says hello. I've got winter right here. Let's see. I've got to come up with my title. So I think I'm going to put the silver ones aside because I have enough going on here. Oh, I love that cluster. You know what I think I should do though? I feel like a little bit more of this pine cone should be sticking up. So let me go ahead and sneak a little piece of foam back there. Perfect. Okay, so I've got winter. I've got this word over here as well that reads Wonderland. So that might be really cute. Let me see. Winter Wonderland. I don't have a lot of the green though. Let's see. I could put this right here so it's got some stability though. So let's just go for it. We've got winter. Let's see. Cardinal is really a little bit of a long word, but that would be pretty in the blue. All right, I'm gonna do winter cardinal. And then, guys, we're just gonna tuck some of the snowflakes on and we're gonna be done. So let me work on that. I want to use as many of these beautiful snowflakes on here as I can to create a little winter scene. And I'll meet you right back here. So you guys, I ended up adding acrylic snowflakes, the little felt ones. Then I was like, all right, that's gorgeous. Let me grab some of my Echo Park adhesive brads, popped those little guys on, and a couple of the deep blue confetti pieces. And this layout, guys, is done and dusted. So I will have links down below where you guys can get your hands on these kits. Guys, isn't it cute? Look at that sweet little birdie. Where you can get your hands on these kits, as well as a Facebook group. So you guys can join us over there. Show us what you're working on with these kits. See what DT's doing, all that kind of stuff. And I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.